What happens when a country of the size of India has over 3 million children living on the streets? Or has over 150 million children working as bonded laborers? Or one out of every 6 girl child does not live to see her 15th birthday? What happens when, despite having a national policy for compulsory primary child education in India and a child labor policy, only 50% of children have access to education? The statement, "children are the future of the nation," stops making sense. Then, clearly, we have a lot to answer for. Do something about it. Meaningful, concrete, and urgently.
At least 35 million children aged 6 to 14 years do not attend school. 53% of girls are illiterate. In India, only 53% of habitation has a primary school. Here, only 20% of inhabitants have a secondary school. So shocking. Literacy rate in West Bengal has seen upward trend and is 76% as per latest population census. Of that, male literacy stands at 82%, while female literacy is at 70%.
Consequently, looking at the deplorable insufficiency of basic primary schools in India, we, the Galaxy Group's directors, felt the need to set up such a school in Kolkata in December 2022, more because both the directors of the group are basically rooted in Kolkata. We, thereafter, pondered over and discussed the matter till we came up with the idea of setting up a charitable school named Galaxy Gurukul for the underprivileged children of marginal families. We then conceptualized and subsequently founded Galaxy Foundation, a humanitarian organization, in January 2023. Galaxy Foundation was then registered as a charitable entity in England on 27 February 2023 from UK. The school is the first of many of the Foundation's future social beneficiary plans. Anyway, things started moving very fast from then on for the school project. Basic visualization of the noble project had already begun. After plenty of searching, a suitable site and 3-storied building for the school was meanwhile zeroed in the vicinity of Ganganagar on the outskirts of East Kolkata. Various factors fitted nicely in our scheme of things. We felt our primary school would cater to children of lower income families of the area who cannot afford elite schools. We at Galaxy Gurukul recognize the importance of education as a key to building a future for children coming from poor backgrounds and career build in spite of their socio-economic conditions. Our purpose is to provide a very meaningful and holistic education in a motivating environment. This includes lots of children's activities as well as sports also. Galaxy Gurukul was positioned in such a way, donors, especially Galaxy landlords as well as other well-wishers, and our friends began coming forward with contributions almost immediately. This gave us further motivation to move forward faster with the said project. We plowed in our own resources as well. One thing led to another and happily. Subsequently, Galaxy Foundation was moving ahead purposefully to set up the No Frills Primary School in Kolkata. Once we found a perfect building to set up the school, things began falling into place. The lease agreement for the school was signed in early March 2023. Thereafter, refurbishment converted the building into a proper school. Research and development led to the school building's decor shaping up with bright colors dominating the interior. An office was set up. So was a kid's room. We propose to build a good library soon. We are also giving the students free uniforms, books, balanced nutrition, health checkups, and counseling. Last but not least, On 9th April 2023, the grand opening of the school was done by our kids Vivan and Tarannum. We inaugurated the school amidst lots of festivity by cutting a cake, etc. Then on, enrollment of students in Galaxy Gurukul, a co-ed school, began. Also, lots of promotion in nearby areas was done through ads, hoardings, flyers and even miking, right up to the narrow lanes and bylanes even in nearby busty slums of the vicinity. The first session of the new school has finally begun from 12th June 2023. There was thorough newspaper coverage of this milestone event. Thus, the embarkment on the great journey has begun, after completing proper staffing for the first few classes that already has a student strength of 76. It's a new and fascinating experience for all of us involved with Galaxy Gurukul from beginning till date. And we will end up winning the adventure that has already brought us and the school this far. To summarize, our philosophy is, start now, get perfect later. Today, it's a privilege to see the kids playing and learning in our school premises. The picture of bonding between the teachers and students is cherishable. Galaxy Gurukul recognizes the importance of education as a key to building a future for children coming from poor backgrounds and often becoming child laborers otherwise.